In this video, I'm going to explain how to fix MoneyGram Transfer Completed but not received. First, confirm with the recipient that they are checking the correct pickup location, bank account, or mobile wallet and that their name exactly matches the details on the transfer. Next, track the transfer using the reference number to confirm if it shows completed and note that the completion time. Then, allow some extra time because bank deposits and wallet transfer can take several hours or up to 1 business days to reflect even after completion. Also, make sure the recipient has valid government-issued ID if picking up cash. And if the transfer is still not received after 24 hours, contact MoneyGram customer support with the reference number so they can trace the transaction and help release or locate the funds. So that's it.